Hello everyone, my name is Ice from Technique Force. We are still on our leads-to-list software training. We will now talk about how to create a campaign in leads-to-list. Creating campaign for your leads-to-list application is essential, for it will help you manage and monitor exactly how much activity your campaigns and forms are generating. And also giving you the advantage of linking your Facebook lead form to your favorite autoresponder. That way, you will always have the edge to make sure that you are attending to every customer or audience that have shown interest in your brand, product, or service the moment they fill out your lead form. Now let us try to create a campaign in our leads-to-list software. From the dashboard, just click on the campaign segment on the left-hand side of the screen. Now here it will show you all the active campaigns you have previously created. You can either edit or delete each one of them. Or you may also have an option to clear all on the list by clicking on the red button that says Delete All. Now to add a new one, click on the green button that says Add Campaign. Now fill out the given form. First off, set a campaign name. So you can type in anything here for the campaign name. Then select a page you want this campaign to work with. Just choose one from the list and then click it. Then after that, select a lead form you want to use for this. So again, just select one from the list. We have previously discussed how to add a Facebook page in leads-to-list, as well as how to create lead forms in Facebook. Just follow the steps. Now after that, scroll down and choose an autoresponder you want to utilize. So again, click on the drop down arrow and select one from the list. And then after that, select the list you have previously created in your autoresponder. Just again, click on the drop-down arrow and choose one from the list. Then it will ask you if you like to add a welcome message. Just toggle between yes or no. Now if you click on yes, it will give you another field which will allow you to choose from the welcome message that was saved in your application. Just choose one from it. Then click. Or if you want to start over, you can simply click on the reset button, which is located on the bottom part of the form. Now after checking and completing the form, click on the Add Campaign button. As you can see, there was a notification saying that we have successfully added the campaign. Now to check, click on the campaign segment again. As you can see, the campaign is successfully added and is already showing on the list. That's about it for our topic for today. Thank you for watching.